Hi everyone, in this video we're gonna talk about it, how to indent and code and remove indentation of code in Python programming language if we're going to use Python idle. Let's say if we want to indent our code, we could just easily select some part of text and press tab on the keyboard. But there is also one another one choice. We could use for indentation of code control plus opening square bracket. Let's try to use on the keyboard combination of control plus closing square bracket. Let's try control plus closing square brackets, and our code is now indented. If we want to remove an indentation of our code, we will use combination in the Python idle control plus opening square bracket. Let's try to remove our indentation with control plus opening square brackets. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.